Good evening. I'm making meatloaf tonight for dinner, and I've already chopped up the onion and shove that in the pan. Got a little escapee, put him back in. And now put some spices in that. The basil is empty, some dill, thyme, garlic. A little bit of that. Some dill. And some thyme. Okay, so put those there. Grab a spoon. Mix that in. And the oven just finished preheating. What I just dumped in the pan was 85% lean, 15% fat ground turkey. I'm going to take and mix this up so the onions and spices are all mixed together. Just like that. Now to pack it all down and get the air pockets out of it. And a few more escapees. About like that, and this is all set to go in the oven. So pop that in there like that, and that should be ready in about 45 minutes. So I'll bring you back when the meatloaf is ready. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's check on the meatloaf. Oh, that looks about right. Yep. Okay, we'll let that sit for a little bit. Okay, the carrots should just about be done. So we'll check on those. They look good. A little bit soft. We'll add the peas. A quick stir. Turn the heat up. Peas and carrots are one of our favorite vegetables. And I'll pop these back in the freezer. Okay, so they should come up. As soon as they start boiling, we'll dish up. And I'll show you what dinner is going to look like tonight. Okay, they're boiling. Got the potatoes there. I'm going to start the microwave. I've got a leftover piece of sweet potato in the microwave. I'm allergic to potatoes, so I don't get to eat them. But my delightful wife does. This is my brother-in-law's potatoes from his garden. Okay. There's that. That looks about right. Turn these off. And we'll bring them over here. Okay, grab this. And that is tonight's dinner. Try it sometime for yourself at home. It goes together pretty quick. I like it because I can pop it in the oven and then I've got 45 minutes to rest and relax before I have to dish it up and serve it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.